Hello there, second day on the slopes. I just look at that lovely view. Brilliant. Got a good day of skiing today, so a bit of sun and hopefully some snow later on this afternoon. See you later. Right guys, hope you can hear me okay. So I might have to abandon skiing this afternoon because you can see how quickly the snow and the weather's come in. So I hope I got enough footage for day 2, don't know. See how that goes. All the lifts are now closed because it's windy and the snow's coming in quite heavy. So this might be the only bit of video I'm going to get for day 2, but at least we're getting some snow. So see you on another video coming soon. Yeah, hello again. So to add to my video I did about 2 hours ago when it was snowing and it was windy. Now look at it, almost perfect conditions. So we've got an hour left on the slope, so let's make the most of it. Let's go do a little bit of skiing before we finish. So fickle with weather, so but let's get as much as we can done. See you later. So just something I like to touch on is all these new PTs and all this fitness influencers on Facebook and Instagram, all filming the clients doing the workouts. And it's all really great and good, but a lot of them are doing it with poor technique, which is, I just don't think is great. If you're filming your clients without perfect, almost perfect. No one's going to be 100% perfect, but good technique, then don't do it. I know a lot of PTs do this for advertising, and they think they're going to get some more clients because, oh look, I've got all these clients and I'm filming them all and they must be good. No, I've seen PTs almost all the time with their clients is filming them. They're not actually training, they're just filming, just for kicks, just so it makes them look good. I tend not to do that because I used to do it. I've got videos in the past where I was doing clients videos, but I tend not to do it anymore because I've moved on from that. So that's just something I take away there. Like I say, I tend not to do much videos anymore with my clients. I probably will do in the future, maybe if I get my own place. I probably will get some videos done at my own facility when I get that sorted, because I've got control of everything then. So until the next video, I shall see you again. Please like and share. Please do a big thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.